Now, Jamaica's SWAT teams continued their historic campaign at the SWAT Roundup International, which is ongoing in Florida. The JCF's Department of Weapons and Tactical Training, DWTT, and JCF Specialized Operations wrapped up Wednesday's Day 2 with performances establishing them as formidable contenders on the global stage. The DWTT have already surpassed all previous Jamaican records in the SWAT Roundup International, amassing 79 points by the end of Day 2. Their cumulative time of 22 minutes, 18.23 seconds, placed them 33rd overall among the 50 teams.
Going into this event, I know that we have the capabilities of completing same and doing it in a good time.
Well, it is a new experience. Overall, we stick to our game plan. We communicated as best as possible. We just thought about it as if we went on a real operation.
Now, debutants JCF Specialized Operations have shown commendable determination and resilience. Although positioned towards the lower end of the rankings with 20 points and a cumulative time of 36 minutes and 25.90 seconds, the team gained first-hand experience in one of the world's most demanding tactical competitions.
I can assure you that we did exceptionally well. We see where the specialists come into action.